friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Meredith from An Open Home, and today I am going to do the first update for my No New Clothes challenge. This is in 2020. I have a goal, personal goal, to not buy any brand new clothing, hoping also shoes. For a long time I have been mostly shopping secondhand, but I've never put a real solid goal to it. And so this year, I've written about it in my blog. This year, starting off, no new clothes. Here we go. In January, I didn't really need anything. I had a lot of clothing left over from the fall. The weather hasn't really done anything. It's sort of chilly-ish here on the East Coast, not a lot of snow. We're just kind of doing our thing. So I didn't really need to purchase anything new, or that is new to me. I did buy one thing right before the new year, but I wanted to share it today. I made a purchase from the company Goodwill. Goodwill is an online store that does either bundles of pre-owned clothing, or they do have some items you can buy individually. The thing about Goodwill is that you're not able to choose what exactly you're getting. You're going into a category, you're choosing your size. There is a way that you can put some specifics in, I believe, but mostly it's a mystery. I really wanted to give it a try. So right before Christmas, they were having a sale on their pre-owned hoodies. And I really only had one hoodie that I've had for a long time. It's actually my college hoodie. It was just getting worn out. It was just wear it around the house sort of thing, but it was just getting a little worn, ready for something different. So I decided for $8, which is a really great deal that included shipping, I decided to give them a try and see how it all worked out. So I was really impressed, I have to say, with the shipping. When the package got to me, there was no plastic involved in any way. When I opened it up, again, I had no say in this at all other than the size. I got a sort of tan colored, very large hoodie. It's from a company called Thor. It's a motocross company, apparently. And on their website, their hoodies retail for about $55. So for $8, and this one is pretty much brand new. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. It's really cozy, it's very warm. Exactly what I wanted for just bumming around the house. That is perfect. The only other thing I did this month in January for buying secondhand was I made one trip to my local Goodwill. We have a lot of Goodwills in our area, at least within driving distance. And I have my favorites. I have one that I like more for clothing. I have one I like more for home goods. But I just wanted to see what they had. Usually after the new year, people do a lot of purging. And I just wanted to see what my local Goodwill was offering. So I went to my Goodwill, and I was sort of only on the hunt for pullover sweaters. I went through a cardigan phase. I went through a cardigan phase for many years, and I'm sort of getting out of that now. I just want to just throw something on and leave the house. I don't want to worry about layers. I don't want to worry about what matches. I just want to just put on one thing and be able to go in the morning. So I found a couple things while I was looking, and then I came across one sweater that I really liked, and I tried it on. I liked the fit. It was very warm. It was very soft. It's pretty much the most perfect shade of brown. And so I picked it up, and it ended up being apparently a men's sweater, which I did not realize. I didn't really care. That's not something I care about or anything. It's just kind of funny. As soon as my husband saw it, he realized it. I don't know how you could be able to tell, but I guess that's something other people could tell. I couldn't tell. Anyway, it's really cozy. It was $4. I mean, come on. Just for wearing on errands and things, it's fine. But then the most exciting thing that had happened to me so far in this 1 month of this no clothes challenge was this pair of brand new to me Tom sneakers. Tom slip-on sneakers are $60 in retail. They have a really great mission. If I was in a place to buy a $60 pair of slip-on shoes, that would be amazing, because for every pair of shoes they sell, they also donate a pair of shoes, which is a wonderful thing. Again, I wish I could buy a brand new pair of $60 shoes so that I could also donate a pair of shoes to someone in need. If you are in the market for something like that, please shop for Tom's because that's wonderful. But they are very cozy, and also the good thing about buying shoes like this is you can just clean them very easily. These ones actually I just threw in the washing machine and air dried them, and it works out perfect. So that is it for my first No New Clothes month, 2020, January. I will leave links down below for Good Fare. At time of filming, I just noticed that these hoodies, their mystery hoodies, are still only $8. I don't know when that will change, but for now, that's a great deal. I will link to them down below. I will also link down below to ThredUp. That is another really easy to shop consignment store online. They do a lot of separation by brands and by type of clothing. I'm on the hunt right now for a pair of sneakers, like a jogging sneaker, and also low-heeled boots. So I was able to specifically look just for those items. In February, I will probably be able to show you a little bit more of that process in my next video. But in the meantime, I will link down below to ThredUp. They will have, I'll have a coupon code that you can use. If you go through the link, they will give you $10 off your first purchase, which is a really great deal because $10 can go really far on ThredUp. I think that's it. So don't forget to subscribe. This is the first of a brand new series on my brand new YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing how this No Clothes Challenge goes for the rest of the year, you're gonna wanna subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.